What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use points on McDonald's app. So you might be wondering how to exactly use your points here once you have enough in your McDonald's account. Well, this one is fairly easy. So first is first, you want to open up the app and you want to go ahead and click on the rewards and deals at the bottom center of your screen. Now, from then on, what we need to do is we want to go ahead and choose the My Rewards section. Go ahead and click on My Rewards or the View All link that you see there. By the way, in this section, you should be able to see your points as well at the top right. So if you want to basically keep track of them. But on the next page here, once you click on View All, you should be able to see all of the products, or in this case, items or new items here that you could actually withdraw. So in this case, you want to go ahead and select the item that you may want to withdraw, or in this case, use here, or you want to basically use it for. And from here on, it's going to ask you how do you want to receive or use your reward. So you can either use this as a mobile order, you can use this as a delivery order, or you could use this as a at the restaurant, and you just need to present a QR code in order for it to redeem it. But also at the top left, you should be able to see how much you are going to redeem as well. And from then on, it's going to just give you some necessary details here to confirm, like how much points you'll be redeeming your order. And also, you could, if you want to view the terms of this offer and pursuing restaurants as well. But once you're done, click on Add to Order here, and that should add that to your order. And just need to check out, and you should be good. And that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.